Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ida Ayukada Sivanetasha Dewi from Unixa University in Singaraja. Today, we are going to discuss about should parents be involved in educational process? Today's topic is of particular interest to those of you who want to know what are the roles of parents in educational process. The purpose of this presentation is to inform, especially new parents, to take an active part in children's learning process. I have divided my presentation into two main parts. The first part will be discussed about should parents be involved in educational process, and the second part will be discussed about the reason parents should be involved. It will take about 6 minutes to cover this issue. Don't worry about taking note, I will put all the statistics on the handout for you. And there will be time for question and discussion at the end of my talk. If you have any question, please hold on your question until the end of the presentation. Okay, let's jump to the first discussion. Okay, first we are going to discuss about should parents be involved in educational process? The answer is yes. The family environment is the first education for students. The role of parents in child development is very crucial. Various studies show that the student achievement increase when parents take an active part in their children's learning process. One of them is shown by research from Harvard Family Research Project or HFRP, which is shown that the parental involvement has a close relationship with children's achievement outcomes. In addition, according to Vanderbilt University, research that parental involvement is not just a statistic process but is ongoing and highly dynamic. Parents, children, school, and social environment also together has an important role in this process. Posted in Pintech 2020, it is stated that parents can do various ways. The first is motivate children. From early age, parents need to motivate their children. Use a simple, easy to understand sentence to explain the importance of studying, and don't forget to praise them when they success. Second, accompanying children learning process. Parents need to accompany their children learning process. That's why parents need to shape their children character with a good character education. And don't forget, parents need to facilitate their children's needs while studying and monitor their development. That's all I want to say is about parental involvement has a close relationship with children achievement outcome. As for the way that can be done, namely by motivating children and accompanying children learning process. Next, the second part. In this part of my presentation, I'd like to talk about the reason parents should be involved. Based on the ASEAN School 2019, there are reasons parents should be involved. First, the benefit to both children and parents. Parents who are involved in their children's education tend to benefit both the children as well as themselves. They get satisfied by contributing to the education and future of their children. They spend quality time with them, which can improve the communication between parents and children. Second, reading together at home greatly influences. Parents can involve their children by reading with them at home. This can influence the children to learn more. This eventually develops their interest in reading. Reading together with children can contribute to their better reading skill. This brings me to add my last point. There are reasons why parents should be involved. First, the benefit of both children and parents, and second, reading together at home greatly influence. Okay, I'd like to conclude today's presentation by summarizing the information for today's topic. Parental involvement has a close relationship with children's achievement outcome. As for the way that can be done by motivating children and accompanying children's learning process, there are reasons parents should be involved in education process. The first, the benefit of children and parents, and second, reading together at home greatly influence. Okay, there are also reference lists that I access it to add my presentation material. Okay, thank you for your attention. I think that's all for me. If you have any question, I'll be pleased to answer them. Okay, I think that's no question. Thank you for your joining my presentation. Have a nice day.